Hi, Julianne here. In case you missed the giant bubble class, just wanted to show you real quickly how to make your own giant bubble wand. And all you need is a piece of string. This string is about the length of a door, so I would say that, so it's not a precise measurement, but probably about 6.5 feet. And then some pieces of duct tape. This was a 4-foot dowel that I cut in half, so 99 cents at the store. And one nut that you can find probably in the junk drawer. So first you want to take your string and you want to match it up, but you want one end to be slightly longer than the other. So you can see how I have that tail there. So you're going to stretch it out and you want that looped end, and that's the first end you're going to attach to the end of one of your sticks with a piece of duct tape. So just put that on, wrap it around, just nice and snug so it's secure there. So that's the first one, and you can put a second piece of tape on there if you want to. Again, just wrap it around, nice and snug, and that'll keep it on there sturdy. So you've got your first end on. So you're gonna set that stick down. You're gonna find your longest string, so that's my longest string, and you're gonna put the nut through there. All the way through the string, so you don't knot it, it's just loose on there. And then you're going to find that other end. So here is my other end, and those two ends are going to go together just like that. Make sure I'm not tangled up here, so I'm just going to unwind that. So I'll show you that. So you can kind of see already. I'm just gonna, oh, there we go. So already, so you see the nut is on that end. I'm going to hold that down. So this is the other end that goes to our other pole. So just like that, I'm just going to hold it there along the end. Take another piece of duct tape, and I'm just going to twist that around that end, and I have a second piece just to make sure that's nice and snug. All right, and so that's your end result. So you have kind of a double V there. You can see that. Ignore that I didn't cut my wand, just the length, but doesn't matter. So that's your wand. And then I posted already the recipe for the bubble solution, and you're just gonna go to town, dip that in the bucket, and make your giant bubbles. Enjoy!